Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Yeedi S20 Infinity Ultra. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop those links in the description. So we have our S20 right here, and it is super simple to restart your robot vacuum. A restart is just a simple reboot. It's a power cycle. So we're going to turn it back off and back on. So currently our vacuum's on. We flip this red switch all the way to the left to the red circle. Now our unit has shut down. And to complete the reboot or the restart, flip the button back all the way to the right side to the white line. Watch the light here. This light will eventually come on.
Hello.
And there you go.
The system is starting up.
The system's starting up. You got the voice prompt.
15 seconds.
15 seconds it says.
Hang tight.
That's how you restart your Yeedi S20.